Sir, the camp of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, question po yung motives ng mga private individuals na nag-offer po ng reward, 10 million reward for his arrest. Bakit daw po tumanggap ang government ng donation from the private sources?
Bakit hindi?
Ba't hindi government?
Bakit hindi? They want to help us bring a fugitive to justice. You know, he is a fugitive. He is hiding from the law. Now, if there are private citizens who want to assist the government in that effort to bring him to justice, I do not see what is any. So he can question their motives as much as they want, but magpakita siya. I question his motives. Let me question his motives. Bakit lagi kaming kine-question? Sinusundan lang namin ang batas. Sundin din niya ang batas. Yun lang.